Hi, and welcome to another lesson of Excel for Absolute Beginners course. This will be the last lesson for chapter 1 of this course. And in this lesson, we are talking about working with spreadsheets. So we are going to look at how to create a new spreadsheet, how to hide a sheet that you've already created, and how to delete a sheet. So let's get into it. Using our textbook 1 workbook that we created, so we are right in here, and as I explained from the beginning, when you open a spreadsheet application, what you have opened is a workbook. And just as any book is made up of several sheets, you can have your Excel workbook made up of several sheets, but by default it has only one sheet. So anytime you open it, it has one sheet that is available in it. And if you want to add on, that is exactly what we are looking at right now, how to add on a new sheet, because you can have several sheets within a book, a workbook. So you can have several worksheets within one workbook. And this has a lot of practical use cases. If you are analyzing a set of related data, but they are so much such that all of them are not going to fit onto one or each of them. Okay, let me give a practical example. If I am recording expenses incurred per day, I may want to have, each day will have its own sheet. So today I record the expenses for the day in one sheet, tomorrow I record it in another sheet, the following day another sheet, but they are all in the same book. So if I'm reporting to my superior, all I'm going to do is to hand over just a single Excel file, which happens to be the Excel workbook to them. Within this workbook, when they open it, they find a number of worksheets. So how then do I create a new worksheet? Assuming this is the workbook that we are working in. When you come down here, the status bar, just at the top here to the left bottom, you see sheet 1, meaning this is the name of the sheet that we are currently in. So good for us to create a new sheet, there is this icon that we can use to create a new sheet. So by clicking on it, it adds a new sheet, and automatically the sheet is named as sheet 2. So you can create more sheets by just clicking on it, sheet 3. And that is not the only way to create a new sheet. We have other ways that we can use to create a new sheet as well. One of the other ways to create a new sheet is by right-clicking this and going to insert. So you right-click on any of them. So if it is this, I can right-click on that, go to insert, then make sure I've selected worksheet. So worksheet is currently selected, and click on OK. And that has also added another sheet called sheet 4. But because we chose it at this point, it has inserted a sheet before sheet 1. So we can use this, or we can use sheet 4. There is also a keyboard shortcut that we can use to add a new sheet, and that is Shift F11. So that is what I just pressed, and it has added sheet 5. Shift F11. I'm pressing it again, and it has now added sheet 6. So those are ways that you can use to add sheets or new sheets to your workbook. So currently we have 6 different sheets. Then by going with the default names, it may not make so much sense, because I said that we may be recording it, let's say for every day, we are recording the data for every day. So what if we want to name these sheets after the names of the day? So we have to rename the sheet, and to rename the sheet, right click on it and go to rename. So I'll call this Sunday. Then I'll go to the next sheet, right click on it, rename, call this Monday. Go here, rename, call this Tuesday. So in fact, you can call it anything you want. It is your own Excel workbook, so depending on what you are using it for, you can rename your sheet to anything at all that you want. The other thing that you can do is that you can decide to hide some of the sheets. Okay, so at a point in time you may get so many sheets, and maybe that may be worrying you in one way or the other. So to hide a sheet, just right click on the sheet and go to hide. So if I want to hide Tuesday, click on it, then right click on it, go to hide. Then let's hide Sunday too. Click on it, right click and go to hide. Now we've hidden about 3 different sheets. So if we want to unhide them, click on any of them, right click on it, and you now can find, because we have hidden some, you can find unhide here. So click on unhide, then you choose the specific sheet that you want to unhide. So currently Sunday is selected, click OK, and now Sunday has joined the list of sheets here. Let's do the same for Tuesday. Let's unhide Tuesday. Okay, Tuesday, okay, and now Tuesday is here. The last thing that we are looking at in this lesson is how to delete the sheet. So assuming I made a mistake on sheet 3, so I no longer want sheet 3, right click it and click on delete sheet, and voila, sheet 3 is gone. So these are some of the ways that we work around with the sheets, and basically the purpose of this chapter was to introduce you to Excel and give you a general overview of Excel before we delve into any details working with it as such. So I hope that you've learned a lot from this lesson, and hopefully I'll see you when we start the next chapter. Bye bye.